Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of switching power supplies and explore their working principles. We'll also take a closer look at the key features that make them an essential component in various electronic devices. So, what exactly is a switching power supply? In simple terms, it's a device that converts input voltage into a stable output voltage using a series of intricate processes. Let's break it down step by step. The first step in the process is input rectification and filtering. Here, the AC input voltage is converted into pulsating DC through a rectifier bridge. The pulsating DC power then passes through a large capacity filter capacitor, transforming it into a smoother DC power. Next, we have power factor correction, PFC, which is an optional step designed to improve power efficiency and grid utilization. The PFC circuit corrects the waveform of the input current, ensuring it is in phase with the input voltage, thus reducing harmonic interference. Now, let's talk about high-frequency switching conversion. This is where the magic happens. Switching tubes, such as MOSFET or IGBT, switch at high frequency under the control of a PWM controller. This action converts the DC into high-frequency pulse current, setting the stage for the next crucial steps. Moving on to high-frequency transformer isolation and voltage transformation. The high-frequency pulse current passes through the high-frequency transformer, providing isolation while also raising or lowering the voltage as required. Following that, we have the output rectification and filtering process. The high-frequency pulse current on the secondary side of the high-frequency transformer is rectified by the rectifier diode and converted into pulsating direct current. It is further filtered through the filter capacitor and smoothing inductor to output a stable DC voltage. Last but not least, we have the feedback control. The output voltage is fed back to the control circuit through feedback circuits such as optocouplers and error amplifiers. The control circuit adjusts the PWM duty cycle based on feedback information to stabilize the output voltage. So, there you have it, the working principle of a switching power supply in a nutshell. Its high efficiency, small size, and lightweight make it an indispensable component in various electronic devices, from computers to industrial equipment. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Until next time, take care and happy experimenting.